Hi guys, today we will be making our first scratch project. So let's get started. Okay, so this project will be ping pong. So we will be starting off with the ball. So delete the cat and click choose a sprite on the cat that has a plus on top. Now you can choose whatever object you want to bounce around. I'm going to choose the ball. Now, say run forever, move 15 steps. Nice. Okay, now add a fountain to bounce. Now we want it to bounce on an angle so that it won't just go like that. We can bounce it like now. You can see it just goes like that. Now we can add a green flag on top. Now, click on that cat that has the green plus, that has the plus on top again. This time we'll choose a paddle. Place the paddle down like this. Now, when the flag clicked forever, you have two options actually. I'm going to show you the two options you can do. So the option you can do is change X by mouse X by going here, and then it will just do that. But it's going to be hard to move around. I think it will be better trying this. When right arrow key pressed, we wanted to move this. And then you can duplicate that, and you can duplicate this. And then you can say left arrow, and then you can add a negative sign so that it can go like this. The paddle will go like this, and this. Now you can move. You can see that you can move, but you really can't hit the paddle because once the ball goes on the paddle, it can just go through. So go on the ball again and say when the flag clicked, forever, if touching paddle, move 15 steps. Okay, you can say move 10 steps, then glide. Just like glide to random position like that. Now once it touch that, it just glides like that. We don't really have to, it can just glide like that. So probably it won't just touch the ground. Now you can choose another sprite. This sprite will be a line like this. Now you can place that on the ground. There's so much options you can go through. I'm just gonna choose the easiest option and make another ball, and this ball will just be a game. Let's say game over. Now I'm going to go here and I want to just say add a game over, and I'm gonna make that a red. Now, when the flag clicked, forever, if touching line, if we want to point in the direction 90, if you wanted to switch custom to game over, so to also be in the position called 0, y 0. So now so you can see it goes like it doesn't really work. It just always goes in that because you always have to add a when the flag clicked switch costume to Bali. Now we will add a stop all because then they would just go so mad. So let's add and stop all. We will stop all of the code, and we will also put this right here now. Okay, so now we can just do that. Let's now add the. Okay. That's okay. You can see that once you do that, it will touch, and it's kind of hard. So we can make this even faster. Let's just add in forever, so that forever can go like that. So now you can see it goes easily. You don't even have to. So you can even stop. So now you can see it will glide, and if this ball will touch this line, it will stop the game. It will keep on going, but it won't bounce anymore. Now you can also pick a back. And now every time you want it to go there, so when the flag clicked, always go in the position called 0y0. Then it will always go in the position. Now you can see just glide. That's okay. That's what I wanted to do. Because it will always just hit something and it will just look like it's bouncing, but it's actually gliding. Now I'm gonna just make it even faster. Adding a. You can make it even faster. Okay, so I will explain you all this code-wise what is going to happen. So when the flag click forever, if touching faster, it will sense if it's touching this part that is called paddle, it will do the code that you sent above, and the same for this, and they will go into 0y0. So everything has a position. The position 0y0 go in the middle, directly in the middle. Oh, this is all for it, guys. So, bye.